patient on targeted temperature management. What you will first need to do is get the machine, which is located in one of the equipment rooms. You will need to get the blankets. The blankets have leg wraps, one for the chest, one for each leg. Okay, and there should be tubes that will connect to the blankets for each of the wraps, so 3 sets. A temperature probe that will be placed in the rectum for temperature monitoring. First thing you will do is you're going to wrap the patient's chest. Okay. You're going to connect. They are male and female connectors. So when you do the connection, you're going to take the one end, connect, and it should be like this. Then snap, connect, snap. Make sure both of the clamps are clamped until we're ready to fill up the blankets. We'll do the leg now. Okay, we're going to make sure everything is unclamped. Unclamped, unclamped, unclamped.
Unclamped.
You're unclamped?
Yep.
Okay. Once your temperature probe is in place, then you're going to come over to the machine and we're going to power on the machine. Before we power on the machine, located in the back of the machine is the sterile water container. You need to make sure that the sterile water container has volume of water in it, otherwise you will need to get sterile water and add it into the machine. The connections back here, if you push in and pull out, that is how you disconnect. And also if you push in and release, that's how you reconnect the machine. You'll want to make sure all the cables are in place. Now I will press the power button to power it on. It takes a few to get it going. Then you have to choose your mode. There are 3 modes: automatic, manual, and monitor. Monitor mode is just if you want to monitor temperature when somebody's not actually on the blanket.
Monitor.
Manual mode is where you actually are controlling the temperature. You have a set temperature of where you want it to go down to or up to. And automatic, which is here, is where there's an algorithm built in the machine where the machine will actually bring the patient's core temperature down to where you set the temperature to be. Usually automatic is the mode that we end up using. To click and select the mode, you're going to press on top the mode you want. Okay, it already has the temperature set as 28 degrees Celsius. You would click confirm to confirm that if that's where you want to go down to. If you didn't want this mode, and let's say you wanted to go back, you click the cancel button and you're able to then choose the different modes. So let's say we wanted manual. I'm going to click the manual button. I then can choose the temperature on the side here to where from 40 and I want to bring it down. Usually you want to be anywhere between 32 and 36 degrees Celsius. You will then click the word confirm. Okay, what it's doing now is filling up the wraps with the cool water or sterile water. Zoom on here. You can see the temperatures that it's set to. So it's set to go to 32. Right now the water temperature is at 23, so it will heat up to get to 32 and also be bringing the patient's temperature down to that level. You can do it manually where you're watching the temperature get down to that level, or you can do automatic with the algorithm that's built in to go down a degree an hour.